Imagine gliding through a vast underwater world, where sunlight filters down and shimmering waves and coral gardens stretch outward like living cities. In this serene, oceanic realm moves a creature as ancient as time itself, the green sea turtle, scientifically known as Chelonia mydas. With its smooth, aerodynamic body and gentle disposition, this marine reptile has traveled the world's tropical and subtropical oceans for more than 100 million years, surviving cataclysms and changes that wiped out countless other species. Today, it continues to symbolize endurance, peace, and the fragile beauty of marine ecosystems. The green sea turtle is one of the largest hard-shelled turtles on Earth. Adults typically weigh between 150 and 400 pounds, though exceptional individuals can exceed 500 pounds. Their carapace, the top shell, is a mosaic of olive, brown, and golden patterns, each one unique like a fingerprint. Unlike many marine turtles, the green sea turtle gets its common name not from the color of its shell, but from the greenish hue of its body fat, a result of its herbivorous diet dominated by seagrasses and algae. This dietary shift is one of the most fascinating aspects of its life. While hatchlings are omnivorous, feeding on insects, small crustaceans, and sponges, adults transition to a primarily plant-based diet. This change not only defines their biology, but also influences entire marine ecosystems. Their grazing helps maintain healthy seagrass beds, which serve as nurseries for fish and support ocean biodiversity. Watching a green sea turtle swim is like witnessing a masterclass in effortless motion. Its limbs, evolved into powerful flippers, move with smooth, sweeping strokes, propelling the animal forward with grace. These flippers also allow the turtle to dive to impressive depths, often beyond 70 meters, as it searches for feeding grounds or migrates across vast distances. Some populations travel thousands of miles between their nesting beaches and feeding areas, navigating with astonishing precision. Scientists believe they rely on Earth's magnetic fields, returning to the very beaches where they hatched decades earlier. This incredible homing instinct remains one of nature's great mysteries. Perhaps the most iconic moment in a green sea turtle's life cycle is nesting. Under the cover of night, a female will haul herself onto a sandy beach, a journey that is slow, exhausting, and fraught with danger. Using her powerful flippers, she digs a deep chamber and carefully deposits around 80 to 120 eggs. Once covered, the nest is left to the warmth of the sand, which performs yet another marvel of nature, determining the sex of the hatchlings. Warmer sands produce females, cooler sands produce males, a delicate balance directly affected by climate change. After about 2 months, the tiny turtles break free from their eggs and instinctively race toward the shimmering horizon of the ocean. It is a perilous sprint. Predators lurk in every direction, and only a small fraction will survive their first year. Life beneath the waves is no less challenging. Juvenile turtles must navigate an ocean full of threats, from natural predators like sharks to human-induced hazards such as discarded fishing nets, plastic waste, boat collisions, and habitat destruction. Green sea turtles are currently classified as endangered, a stark reminder of how vulnerable even ancient species can be in a rapidly changing world. Conservation groups around the globe work tirelessly to protect nesting beaches, reduce poaching, monitor populations, and educate communities about sustainable coexistence. Yet despite these challenges, the green sea turtle remains a symbol of hope. In places where strict protections have been implemented, populations are slowly beginning to recover. The sight of a female returning to nest or a juvenile rising for a breath of air reminds us of nature's remarkable resilience when given the chance to heal. Continuing our journey with Chelonia mydas, the green sea turtle, we enter a deeper layer of its world, a world shaped by ancient instincts, quiet strength, and remarkable ecological influence. Although gentle and slow-moving on land, beneath the surface these turtles become elegant travelers, carrying out roles that keep entire marine ecosystems thriving. One of the most important contributions of the green sea turtle is its grazing behavior. Mature individuals feed mainly on seagrasses and certain types of algae, clipping them with surprising precision. This might seem simple, but it serves a powerful purpose. Grazing prevents seagrass beds from becoming overgrown and suffocated. Healthy seagrass meadows are the nurseries of the sea, places where juvenile fish, crustaceans, and countless tiny organisms find shelter and grow. Without the turtles' constant pruning, these meadows would decline, leading to cascading effects throughout coastal food webs. In this sense, the green sea turtle acts as a natural gardener, quietly maintaining balance beneath the waves. Similarly, on coral reefs, their diet helps control algae that might otherwise overwhelm corals. In regions where turtle populations have declined sharply, scientists have observed noticeable changes in reef structure, a reminder of how much these animals influence the health of their environment. Through simple daily habits, they help preserve the richness and color of tropical oceans. Despite their serene presence, the biology of green sea turtles is filled with wonders. They are reptiles, yet incredibly adapted to a marine life. Their large lungs allow rapid exchange of gases, enabling them to take a deep breath and remain submerged for extended periods. During moments of rest, a turtle's heartbeat can slow so dramatically that only a few beats occur each minute, allowing it to stay underwater for up to 5 hours. When active, they surface more frequently, taking calm but powerful breaths before gliding downward once more. But perhaps nothing is more astonishing than their long-distance migrations. These journeys are among the greatest in the animal kingdom. Some turtles travel thousands of miles between feeding grounds and nesting beaches. Vast oceanic routes guided by an internal compass still not fully understood. Evidence suggests they sense Earth's magnetic fields and store this information like a map inherited from birth. Decades after hatching, a mature female will return to the very beach where her life began, repeating a cycle that has continued for millions of years. Their reproductive rituals reflect both vulnerability and determination. When mating season arrives, males patrol coastal waters awaiting receptive females. Their interactions are subtle, gentle nudges, synchronized swimming, and calm circling motions. After mating, the female may store sperm and use it across several clutches during the season, an adaptation that increases reproductive efficiency. When the time to nest arrives, she must leave the safety of the sea. Under the cover of night, she hauls her heavy body onto shore, moving slowly but purposefully. Digging a deep chamber, she deposits dozens of eggs, covers them with sand, and returns to the ocean, leaving the next generation in the hands of nature. The warmth of the sand determines the sex of the hatchlings, a remarkable but fragile mechanism now threatened by climate change. Rising temperatures skew populations toward females, creating potential imbalances that conservationists are carefully monitoring. Unfortunately, the green sea turtle's challenges do not end there. Modern oceans present dangers no ancient turtle ever had to confront. Plastic pollution, especially floating bags that resemble jellyfish, causes internal blockages and death. Discarded fishing nets trap turtles by the flippers, preventing them from surfacing for air. Coastal development destroys nesting beaches, while artificial lights confuse hatchlings, drawing them inland instead of toward the sea. Climate change intensifies storms that wash away nests and alters ocean currents that turtles depend on. Despite these obstacles, hope continues to rise. Conservation programs worldwide have shown that with protection and awareness, populations can recover. Many nesting beaches now have nighttime patrols, controlled lighting, and protected zones. Fishermen adopt safer gear. Communities educate the public and participate in habitat restoration. Each effort, big or small, strengthens the species' chance of survival. The green sea turtle is more than an ancient creature wandering the oceans. It is a symbol of resilience, an architect of marine balance, and a reminder of Earth's delicate interconnectedness. When we protect these turtles, we protect the oceans they help sustain, oceans that ultimately sustain us all.